Good morning, dear students. So in the last session we have studied the regarding conversion of number system, that is binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, binary to hexa, hexa to binary. So the number system already we have finished. So next comes the complements, that is 2's complements and 1's complement. So to study these complements number, so under the complements number you are going to study regarding only the additions of binary and hexa numbers and decimal numbers. There is no subtraction in the complements, but computer will implement this subtraction, what you can say, computer will implement this subtraction numbers also in the form of, for example, if we take x minus y. So the computer first it will take the 2's complement of y, then it will add to the x. Then you will get the answer in the form of addition. So to solve this example, first we'll follow the table, that is, table is, you can take this is a plus b and this is carry, this is sum. So to solve this 2's complement and 1's complement, follow this table. Under this, first is if you are going to add the 0 plus 0. So what you will get? Carry will be 0 and sum also 0. The next 0 plus 1. The carry will be 0, sum will be 1. Then 1 plus 0, carry will be 0, sum will be 1. 1 plus 1, carry will be 1, sum will be 0. So please follow this table while you are calculating 2's and 1's complement. First we'll calculate the 1's complement. So to calculate the 1's complement, what you are going to remember is 1's complement, that is 1 will be written as 0 and 0 will be written as 1. Because under the binary base is 2, the computer will read only 2 values, that is 0 or 1. So while calculating the 1's complement, if the number 1 is present in the problem, then make it as a 0. If it is a 0, make it as a 1. So let's see the example of 1's complement. That is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. So as I said, wherever 1 is there, write it as 0. Wherever 0 is there, make it as 1. So 1's complement, that is 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So this is the answer for 1's complement. So if you want to solve for 2's complement, so take this example only. 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. First, before you go for the 2's complement, you need to write the 1's complement for a given question. Then you go for the calculation of 2's complement. So first we'll write the 1's complement. So the answer will be same. That is 0 0 1. Then it will be 0. It will be 1 0 0 1. So for 2's complement, we are going to add 1. So we'll add 1. So as I said, follow the table, correct? That is 1 plus 1, carry 1, sum will be 0. Sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Correct? Then 1 plus 0, carry will be 0, sum will be 1. So the remaining 0, 0 plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So this is a answer for 2's complement. We'll solve one more example for 2's complement. That is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is in the form of binary number, correct? Then what we are going to do now? We'll write the 1's complement for a given binary number. So 1 will be 0, 0 will be 1, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Next, to calculate the 2's complement, we'll add 1 to the 1's complement. So this is answer for 1's complement. So for 2's complement, we'll add 1. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry will be 0. See the table for 0 plus 1. It will be 1. Remaining will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is a answer for 2's complement. Next we'll solve the addition of binary numbers. Then we'll see how we'll get the decimal equivalent. For that, 1, 0, they may give like this also question, 1, 1, 1. So first 1, 0, 1, 1. They have given 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, carry is 1, sum will be 0. Then again 1 plus 1, the carry will come here. 1 plus 1, the carry will be 1, sum will be 0. Next it will be carry will be 1, it will be 0, correct? Now it will become 1. Then it will be 0, 1, it will be 0, then it will be 1. Solve it properly. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. What I have got? Answer is 0, carry 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So if you want it in decimal, they have given binary numbers. In decimal, what you will get? 1011. So 1011 in decimal, I'll give the table also. 11. The value of 1011 in the decimal is 11. Then 0111. The value of decimal number is 7. Then 11 plus 7 is 18. So 18 is the answer in the decimal. So we have studied regarding the ones complement and twos complement, addition of these numbers, that is binary and hexa numbers. So in today's class we have studied regarding only the binary numbers, how we are going to be add binary numbers to the ones complement and twos complement. So first we'll follow the table, that is 0 plus 0 is carry will be 0, sum will be 0. 0 plus 1, carry will be 0, sum will be 1. 1 plus 0, carry will be 0, sum will be 1. When you will get 1 plus 1, the carry will be 1, sum will be 0. So while calculating the ones complement, what we are doing? Just we are going to keep in a mind that if we are getting in the problem as 1, number 1, then we are going to do it as, then we are going to write it as 0. If 0 is there, then we are going to write it as 1. So already we have solved the example for ones complement. Okay, for twos complement, what we are doing? First we are writing the binary number. For given binary number, we are writing its ones complement. Ones complement. Then to calculate the twos complement, we are adding plus 1 to the given binary numbers ones complement. Then follow the table, add it, we'll get it as twos complement. So this is how you are going to solve the example for binaries twos complement. You can take one more example, that is 11010011 plus 110111. Then add it 10011 1111 0 1 1 0. So 1 plus 1 will be, sum will be 0, carry will be 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Then again 1 plus 1, 1 0 0 0 1 0 1. So what we got? So under the binary for this, so we'll see the decimal value. Make it as a group of 4. Two double one, then 1 1 1. The answer will be 211 plus 111, that is 322 in the decimal value we got. So this is the calculation of 1's complement and 2's complement for the given binary numbers. So in the next session, we will study regarding the hexa numbers, addition of hexa numbers for the 2's complement and 1's complement. Thank you.